Hello, welcome to Nature's Wild Playground. Today I'm here to announce that I am doing a giveaway. In order to qualify for the giveaway, you have to 1. Be subscribed and stay subscribed for future videos and giveaways. You will be able to email me. I will put my email down in the comments section down below. The giveaway will start January 22nd of 2021. At 8 p.m. Eastern Time and end January 26th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. When you do send your email, I need your first and last name. The winners will be announced in my next video on January 27th of 2021. Once all winners have been contacted, then I will mail them out. The winners have 24 hours to contact me, or I will move on to the next person. For the prizes, I'm going to show you mine so I don't unwrap the new one, which I have right here, which comes with the flint rod, paracord keychain, flint starter, and it comes with 10 cotton tinder. I just don't want to unwrap it because it is new. Separate mine from theirs. There we are. The one that you will be receiving in this package will be black and will not be orange. For the next one, I have a survival kit, which has a little bit of everything in it. I have a compass up here, flashlight, flint and steel starter, the bracelet, flint and steel. This works really well, it attaches to your belt loop and holds your water bottles. There's a pen here, there's a knife in here, Mylar blanket. I do believe that's it. If I empty this, I'm not going to be able to get this all back in here. You get a handsaw, which I'll try to pull out. Tip you guys down this way so you can see it better. Got a whistle in this pack. A couple keys, Phillips and a flathead. There's the saw that I was referring to. Got a multi-tool. If I cannot get this all back in here, I will mail you a bigger container. I'll deal with that in a minute. Mylar blanket. I guess I have these 3 things on this side. It's a nice little setup. Survival keychain. Get the paracord. Flint starter. I don't really particularly care for this one. The winner will have the option between this one or the one I've used for demonstration. It's really up to them. As you can tell, it's been used right in here, but it's your decision. I prefer this one over this orange one. You get your waterproof containers, your fishing line and sinkers, this container has a couple matches in it that are covered in wax. Cotton tinder. I'm going to send you guys with a small package of this with your flint starter. Makes it a little bit easier. The whistles on these flint starters are not very good, so I attached my own. You'll get a survival knife with this set. You got your screwdriver, your knife, your scissors. 15-in-1 tool. This extra piece of paracord goes with this fire starter. So if you do not want this fire starter, that small piece of paracord will not come with this. It'll come with the red one that is on here. So leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you later. Once I do mail these out, I will email you with a picture of the tracking number so you can track your item as it is coming to you.